Hey guys, so if you guys need a good spoon holder for whenever you're cooking, this is something that really helped. So I got this, and what I like about it is that the leaf shape looks pretty stylish. Plus, as you can notice, I can put a total of 3 put nice and well. Because of how well the shape of the leaf is, it lets 3 of them be there. Plus, the design looks super cute. It feels really sturdy, and in general, it looks really good in my kitchen. I think this is great for anybody who wants a good holder. For me, it's something that I love just to keep everything organized while still being pretty simple.